Welcome back to the worst internet beer reviewer ever.
Fascinating.
Series 6, Episode 6 of 6. Thank God it's going to be over. So what we have here is a New Belgium, from New Belgium company, a Voodoo Ranger Juicy Haze IPA. And it says it comes in at 7.5% ABV. The can best by date was September 14th, 2025. So I think I had this before, I don't recall. But it's done by the New Belgium company. They do some good beers, so let's get into it here. We'll pop it open there. See if we pour it into a dirty glass or not, doesn't matter. It's pouring as a... all over my leg is what it's pouring. Looks like a juicy, I don't know, East Coast IPA of some sort. Why wouldn't it be? The wife's going to get a taste on it too. I'll pour it in there. You can't take it all. I'm on the worst beer reviewer ever, and she wants to just gobble it down.
What the hell is even that?
All of it, basically. So, there it is. She poured a 2-finger creamy head. Small bubbles. The smell is, oh wow, very, very, like a cantaloupe. Wow, I ain't kidding you either. Oh, beautiful smell. The color is, like I said, an East Coast juicy IPA there. Hazy IPA is normal. 2-finger head starting to fade. Depends on the size of your fingers. Could be cucumber fingers like mine. We just picked some cucumbers. How you doing? Nothing to do with a beer review. So let's get on with the taste. Like I say, I'm the worst out there, but sure looks like a darn good beer. Camera's over there. I'm over here. Oh yeah. Okay. Very melony.
I rode my bicycle past your window last night.
Almost cantaloupe, I gotta say. I really do.
It is very juicy.
Is it juicy? She's interfering in the worst video ever. I told her she wants to get part of this. She gets her own freaking channel. And told her how many times. She don't pay no attention to that. Get your own fame, for Christ's sake. Look how long it took me to build up mine. I'll be on my way to Hollywood before you know it. So, another taste test on it. Well, it's the same taste test, right? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Melanie. Just Melanie. Citrusy. Melanie. Very, very good. Very good. Scale of 1 to 10, I'll get right into it, I guess. There's a can art there. Everybody knows what that guy looks like there. Skeleton there. Skeletor or whatever. I'd rate this a good 7 or 8. Everything's 7 and 8. How you doing? Would I buy it again? Absolutely. Absolutely. She's a good beer. Always has been. Like I say, I think I had it before. I'm not really sure, but... oh, yeah. All I can see is like a melon. I'll get back into it for a few minutes and see if I taste anything else. So I kept smelling this off camera. I said, I smell it. I don't know what that smell is. I can't figure it out. I think I hit it on the head. It's like a juicy fruit bubble gum, or a juicy fruit gum that you used to open up with all those different flavors. And then the cantaloupe smell, cantaloupe taste. And it says spicy. It's probably got some coriander in there. I think I'm getting good at this review crap.
Stop it. Get some help.
Yeah, a little bubble gum. So until next time, hopefully until next season, I won't do another one of these reviews, because I don't think anybody's watching anyway. Well, why would you? Why should you? So. Scale of 1 to 10. I'm changing it to like an 8.5. And I would definitely buy it again. This one tastes like another one. Until next time, stay thirsty, Proust. You guys can check it out if you want, but why would you?
Sheriff Bass is Mr. Holmes of Montgomery.
Yeah, what's wrong with the beer we got? I mean, the beer we got drank pretty good, don't it? I ain't never heard nobody complain about the beer we have. It drank pretty good. Budweiser. What's the name of some of them other beer? Budweiser and what else? Miller. Coors. It drank pretty good, don't it? Mr. Jackson, who asked you to sponsor this beer?
The Frida Hops Foundation.
Yeah, what kind of foundation is that?
These are young people from I would use the term from Germany that came in with Mercedes.
From Germany?